Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up portable hotspot on VIVO S17. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Inside, go for network and internet. There's hotspot and tethering. And right here, you'll be able to go for the Wi-Fi hotspot, activate it like this, and then we can set our one-time mobile data usage limit. We can switch it to unlimited and any certain amount of data right here, or custom. I'm gonna go with unlimited, and then we can change our hotspot name. Choose the security. You can go for none if you don't want any password on your hotspot. If you want password, then go for WPA2 personal and change the password right here. It needs to be at least 8 digits. Then we can change this limit that we've set when we enabled that setting. Change maximum number of connections, that means how many devices can connect with that Wi-Fi. Turn off hotspot automatically or not, and then change the AP band between 2.4G or 5G. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.